Hello, friends. Welcome back. How are you? Hope all of you are doing well at your respective places. I'm again with you to give you an idea of a cue card which is being asked these days. So, in this particular session, in this particular video, we will discuss the model answer of this cue card, and we will also discuss the follow up questions. So, the cue card is: describe a time when you got lost in a place. जब आप कहीं पे खो गए. So there are four sub points of this cue card. First one is, when did it happen? मतलब ये कब हुआ, आप कब खोए. So you can talk about a particular time, when I studied in 12th class, when I studied in my graduation, or when I studied in my post graduation. So you can talk about that. When you can talk about, like, when I went to Rajasthan, or you can name the place of your choice. And who was with you? So there could be your friends with you, your family members with you, your relatives with you. So they can be. And next one is, what did you do? Means आपने क्या किया जब आप खो गए? What was your reaction? What action did you take? And how you felt about it? How did you feel about this incident? So I have uh, narrated an incident which is a real one. जो एक असली है, it's not a cooked one, it's not a fabricated one. So I'm talking about an educational tour, because most of you are student, so you would be able to correlate it with your life. So the model answer could be something like this. Getting lost is a common phenomena. We often get lost at a place where we have never been before. So I have got lost at several places where I have never been before. Uh, Here I would like to talk about a time when I studied in 12th class in senior secondary, and I and 9 of my friends went on an educational trip. So we went to the city, we went to see the state Rajasthan, and there is a very beautiful city named Jaipur, and there is a very famous building. Its name is Bhool Bhulaiya, or it is also called a maze. So when we were entering this building, many people advised us that you should hire a guide because you would face problems, because its structure is really very complex. But we were very enthusiastic, and we were sure that we would come out of that very easily. So we entered that. After entering it, we realized that all the doors and windows were identical. They looked alike. So we visited different parts of that building, and I was with my friends. We all were 10 people. And after visiting different part, after about 45 minutes, we wanted to come out of that building. And but the real problem started when we wanted to come out of that, because we were not able to find the exit, because all the doors were quite similar, identical. So we tried for 45 minutes to come out of that, but we were not able to do so. Fortunately, after 45 minutes, we got another group, but they had a guide. We requested the guide to take us out uh, of that building, but he knew the trick. He told us that he would charge 200 rupees for that. We had no option, so we paid him 200 rupees, and it took him only 2 minutes to take us out of that building. And then we heaved a sigh of relief. फिर हमने राहत की सांस ली, and we felt a bit happy. So this was a time when we got lost in a building. and we faced several problems. So this is the answer you can speak about. It's a good one. And let's talk a bit about the vocabulary. What vocabulary you can use? Yes, there is one word, phenomena, which is a good one. You can use it in the first or second line. Getting lost is a common phenomena. Identical is a good word. Identical means look like, एक जैसे दिखना. Exhausted का मतलब है fed up, तंग आ जाना, fed up, थक जाना. So when you tried hard to come out of, but you are not able to find it, so you felt exhausted. Eager to go out, eager. So it is a good word. You can say eager to go out. Have never been before. There are two terms. I have never been before. जहां पे आप पहले कभी ना गए हों. और one word is good at. It is a very good. Good at. किसी चीज में अच्छा होना. I'm good at English. I'm good at maths. I'm good at painting. So this is the vocabulary you can use. So let's go for the first follow-up question. Do you often get lost? क्या आप अक्सर खो जाते हो? So I always advise that you should adopt three-step formula. Said yes or no, say yes or no, हाँ या ना, then give the reasons for that, and finally give the example if you can. So do you often get lost? No, I don't often get lost. But yes, sometime when I go to a place where I have never been before and its structure is a bit complex, then I get lost. For example, 2 years back, I went to Delhi to meet my uncle, and in that particular locality, I got lost, and it took me about 15 to 20 minutes to reach that place because I entered a different because all the streets were identical. So this is what you can say. Second one, is map reading skill important? Map reading skill क्या important है? So what you can say, yes, map reading skills are really very important in the modern times because almost everybody is using vehicles and people are going to diverse places where they have never been before. So if a person knows how to read map, he would be able to find his destination without asking anyone. Otherwise, they will have to ask people again and again about their destination. But if they have good map reading skills, they would be able to reach their destination without asking anyone. So map reading skill is really very important. Next one is, are some people good at map reading? Everybody, every person is unique. Every person has different capabilities. Some people are very good at something and others are not so good. And same is the case with map reading skill. Some people are very good at map reading skills, but others are not because the caliber of every person is quite different. So that's why they have different capabilities. So some people are very good at reading map and some are not so good at. For example, my sister doesn't know how to read the map at all, but I can manage it very well. So the last question is, oh sorry, second last. Why some people like to traveling to other places? Different people have different tastes, and some like traveling, others like different activities. But some people are very fond of exploring new places. So they like to go to those particular places. They meet new people, come to know about their culture, custom, and traditions, and they gain more new experiences in their life. For example, I know several people who like to go to visit different places in their summer vacations with their family. And last question is, should they find information before going to a place? Definitely, they must get each and every kind of information before going to a particular place. It is really very necessary. Because if people have information about that particular place, about their destination, they would be able to manage their tour and trip very effectively. If they have knowledge about the weather, about the places where they have to live, about the places where they have to visit, so they would be able to manage everything in a better way. For example, if a person is thinking of going to Simla, and he must get to know the information about that place, because if they are going in December and it is snowing there, and it is really very cold there, and if they have complete information, so they can take warm clothes with them and they can be able to enjoy. But if they go there without getting information and they don't take warm clothes with them, so they may have to face problems. So it is really very necessary for the people to get information about their destination. So these are the five follow-up questions, and I hope that this video will be very helpful for you, and you would be able to answer those questions very efficiently and confidently. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed this channel, so you may do it now. Thank you for watching this video. See you later in the next video. Bye.